Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate everyone who has subscribed and followed at this time. Pretty excited today. So today will be the first day I will be doing a hardware unboxing and review after I go ahead and test the product for a little bit. Just got it late the other day in the mail, so I wasn't able to get to the video. So at this point in time, let's go ahead and let's see what's in the box. So, go ahead and get this opened. So this is the first player edition of the DK5 gaming mechanical keyboard that I've had the opportunity to go ahead and review for you guys. It is available on Amazon. I will go ahead and link that in the description once I get everything up and going here. So this is the, like I said, the first player mechanical DK5 mechanical keyboard. It does have full N key rollover function, semi-suspended keycap, water resistant. It is RGB driver control. It does have a lot of RGB, 16.8 million RGB and 104 keys, so it is a full keyboard with numlock ability. It is a gaming keyboard. First player does have also a lot of other hardware that you can go ahead and purchase. They've got fans. There is a few cases to choose from various sizes. I will also link that website in the description as well. There's a couple different keyboards. There's some nice cases, fans, and some headsets, and a couple other things that I am probably missing. Let's go ahead and open it and take a look at it. Now, personally myself, I have been using the Corsair K70 keyboard with the MX Red. I've been using that for, gosh, probably 5-6+ years at this point in time. It is very well packaged. It's actually a pretty heavy keyboard, actually. It's pretty thoroughly built. I'm pretty excited to go ahead and test this out. And then, of course, it does have the instructions, obviously being the fact that this is a wired keyboard. Once you plug it into the USB port, it will, whether it's through a hub or the PC itself, it's pretty self-explanatory. It'll automatically install everything that you need for you. Let's see here, anything else interesting on here? Does have multifunction media keyboard, 13 backlit LED effects that you can do. There is 8 backlit LED colors that you can choose from, so this thing is pretty customizable when it comes to what RGB setting that you want to use, what layout, things of that nature. It is customizable backlit LED effects, so depending on like game mode or whatever mode you want to put it in, you can adjust the brightness, the backlit speed adjustment, and then of course if you want to factory default it so you can put it back and then play with the settings again, then it would be function escape, or if you want to lock it down, function Windows key, and then of course function print screen is LED on and off. I will go ahead and I will get mine connected. That way I can go through the setup with you guys. Now, one drawback that I could possibly see, depending on the type of person you are, is this does not come with a wrist pad like some of the gaming keyboards and backlit keyboards do. So that definitely could be something that may possibly affect you. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Hard to say. Obviously, your mileage will vary quite a bit. And it does actually set up really quickly. And it's basically ready to go. I'm actually pretty impressed with the build quality. It's actually quite, like I said previously, it's quite a heavy keyboard. Let's see the keys here. Function delete. So it looks like there is what appears to be like an orangish gold, purple, lightish blue, RGB, so all the different colors, or you can go red, which is probably what I am going to go with for mine, due to the fact I kind of have a black and red theme going on. Let's see, function. Whoa, that is trippy. Disco effect going on there. I'm just kind of playing around with it. As you can see, there's quite a few different effects that you can go ahead and do. If you do function insert, there's 13 backlit LED effects. Function delete, there is 8 backlit LED colors that you can choose from. And then, of course, you can do various effects depending on what game mode that you would like to do as well. It's actually a pretty easy keyboard to type on. Being the fact that it is a mechanical keyboard, it does tend to be a little bit louder for typing than some keyboards. Just something else to kind of keep in mind. Pretty well lit keys, I do like that as well, and the fact that there is multimedia functions that you can use. You don't have the dedicated scroll for like the scroll bar for like sound like you would like the Corsair keyboard or some of the others that have dedicated media functions, but it does have the media functions up in the function keys that you can use. So you do like function and then like F5 for reverse, F6 and things of that nature. I will definitely do another review of this once I've had a chance to play with it a little bit more and get a little bit more testing done with this. Then I will do another video of my actual review. So far, with first impressions, like I said, I think it's a really well-built keyboard. It's a nice heavy keyboard, pretty sturdy. It does have the function key, which the full function set, which is nice for the numpad that you do have. A lot of people do like that, so definitely it does have that compared to some of the smaller keyboards. It doesn't have the wrist pad, which may or may not be a problem for you. Obviously your mileage will vary, but I will definitely have another video in a couple days of my review of what I think of it, and if I do want to stay with it. If you guys have any other further questions, definitely feel free to reach out to me on my social media. And also, definitely I will leave a link in the description for the First Player website that you can go and check out their other products. And I will leave a Amazon link in the description that you can purchase this keyboard. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you and have a good day, guys.